Hello, this is Gavin, the fire alarm guy. Today, I'm going to show you a true cost of a false fire alarm. Okay? Some people in the buildings take this special key out of the panel or annunciator. They just place it into the pole station and they turn it. Which you can't do that. You can't just steal a key. If you are caught by a police officer or a security guard, they will kick you out of the building. You may get a band. Okay. And some people... Hold on, let me put it in. Some people... people just steal the key. If the key is left inside of a pole station, you just take the key out and take it. And if it's a fire alarm key, it may not be a big of a deal. Because you can get those keys like off eBay or similar. And if it's something like a key that opens a door, then it's a big deal. And they just said that you broke into the building. And some kids, they just take their own key. And some people take their own key. And they just taking the pictures of violence, which everyone does that. Like me. I take pictures of fire alarms everywhere I go and post them onto Instagram. And they're wondering what is inside of this pole station. And you just open it. And they set off the alarm unless it's a switch instead of a button. Okay. Sorry, flies are buzzing into my ears. Okay. And you just can't do that. And they don't need a key for this one. Okay. Some people just walk up to the fire alarm and you just pull it. And what you just did was bad. And the fire department has been notified. The fire alarms are sounding. And everyone is evacuating. And you can get serious consequences. You can get thrown into jail. Or get like a $500 fine or more. Okay. I doubt the little kids that have been pouring it at school doesn't have that money. I bet that is their parents paying it. Just don't pull a fire alarm or steal a key and key activate it. Only pull a fire alarm when there's a real fire, or you can pull it or key activate it if you're just testing the system or for a drill. If you got permission, or you're the building owner, you own your own building. You know what I mean. So, I'm saying, don't activate a fire alarm unless there's a real fire. Just don't walk up to a fire alarm and do this. Because you can get into a lot of trouble if you do. Don't pull it. Don't steal the key and do this. So, if you see something like this, don't take the key. And steal it. Or steal a key from a panel and just put it in. Or take your own key that you have in your personal property. And don't be a jerk and just pull the fire alarm when there is no fire. Only activate a fire alarm if you got permission for a drill or there's a real fire. Okay, so that is gonna be it for this video. So see you in the next one. We're out.